Hello there! So you received your blind spot mirrors. Now I want to tell you two very common mistakes and answer a question that almost everybody asks.
Please note that the following instructions are for this mirror with this specific shape. And this is the XLarge Blind Spot Mirror from UTOPICAR, model SSM040. If you have any other blind spot mirror from UTOPICAR, scan the code again and make sure you find that shape of mirror and follow its own instructions.
The best location to install them is the upper outer corner of the car mirror, but the second best, which also works fine, could be on the outside bottom corner or the inside top corner. Number 2. Do not peel the sticker in the back of your mirror until you know exactly where it's gonna go. Number 3. Don't drop it. I mean, that's an obvious one, right? But I guess when you're trying to decide where to place it and how to place it, it may slip off. So if you were to drop it and break it, let us know and we'll do our best to help you. Another thing is that sometimes customers buy the mirror and then later realize it's too big for their car. But if you return it to Amazon, Amazon will penalize us for the return. So the best and fastest solution is that you contact us and we'll help you right away. Lastly, we believe our customer service is the best. If you have any questions or need any help, send us an email or shoot me a text.